The entire city is a air-conditioned city. This is a big strength of Bangalore. As you all know that this is a technological capital, Silicon Valley. 25 lakh IT professionals are working in Bangalore, with 2 lakh foreigners also working in Bangalore. It's a very big city, having 1.4 crores of population. With 1.4 crores of population, 1.3 crores vehicles are there, and every day 70,000 vehicles and about more than 70,000 people come to Bangalore every day. So we have to manage about 2 crores every day. This is the situation. It is a big history, big legacy, with rich human resources, rich manpower, and in entire the world, once Atal Bihari Vajpayee had come to Bangalore to lay the foundation of the Bangalore International Airport. I was urban development minister then, about 25 years back. He said that the world leaders first used to come to Delhi, then they used to go to Calcutta, they used to go to Mumbai, they used to go to Hyderabad, Chennai and all of these. The situation has changed. Now the world leaders are first coming to Bangalore and then they are going to Delhi. That is the situation. Even in the last meeting when Mr. Khattar Sahab was there, our urban development minister, Mr. Modi, also said that this is a global city. I am not speaking only on Bangalore. As Karnataka has a very big history, rich history, so on behalf of all of you, there are so many issues to be discussed. Let us discuss in length and detail whichever the guidelines the Honorable Minister gives to us. So let us all cooperate. Let us all from the southern state, we have big tradition on a good governance. It may be Tamil Nadu, it may be Kerala, it may be Pondicherry, Andhra Pradesh. Compared to other parts of the country, the southern states have a very big legacy on our own administration. So I hope let us all join together, exchange our views, let us learn things from ourselves. Even it may be a small state. If Lakshadweep and Pondicherry also has a better governance concept, we are ready to take it forward. And we may also have some rich experience. The other day I was speaking tonight with the Honorable Minister for Mohanlal Sahab. He was guiding me on, when he was the Chief Minister, how he pointed and gave good governance on this Gurgaon, which has been done. Certainly, sir, we are ready to accept any leaf out of you. The best practices of you, experiences makes all of us perfect. So let us all try to know each other. I would like to thank you. Recently, my officers came on making this e-Khata and having the transparency on all the records on issue.